Welcome to the Udem Plywood ERP video. Discover how our powerful, modern, and enterprise-grade software transforms your manufacturing operations with intelligent automation, real-time kiln tracking, and data-driven yield optimization. Udem Technology is a trusted partner for modern plywood manufacturers worldwide. With over a decade of expertise, we provide custom ERP architectures, secure cloud-native solutions, and deep industry knowledge to minimize waste and maximize your yield. See the difference. While traditional factories struggle with manual inventory, paper records, and production delays, the Udem ERP platform enables smart alerts, 100% digital workflows, and live machine monitoring for proactive scheduling. Our complete ERP ecosystem connects every part of your business, with our core ERP at the center, integrating everything from purchasing and inventory to production, quality, and finance. Experience a streamlined workflow journey. From the initial supplier sourcing and raw material logging to production scheduling, quality checks, warehousing, dispatch, and final delivery, Udem manages the entire process. Gain advanced production control. With real-time factory telemetry, our system offers intelligent planning, live machine monitoring to detect downtime, and waste reduction tools for chemical and veneer usage. Our smart inventory management provides complete control. Track raw materials, monitor veneer grades and chemicals, and utilize barcode and QR scanning to ensure livestock levels and automated purchasing are always accurate. Drive decisions with intelligent analytics. Our intuitive dashboards provide real-time KPI monitoring, dynamic inventory reports, and comprehensive financial tracking, ensuring you have total clarity across all your operations. The business value is clear. Experience a 35% increase in productivity, a 20% reduction in waste, and significantly improved quality. Achieve 24/7 visibility while lowering costs and driving higher profitability. Our enterprise technology stack is robust and scalable. It includes secure cloud hosting, responsive web and mobile applications, integrated APIs, reliable database structures, and bank-grade security with automated backups. Getting started is seamless with our 6-step onboarding journey. From the initial requirement study to development, installation, staff training, the go-live launch, and dedicated 24/7 support, we ensure a risk-free transition. Choose the pricing plan that fits your factory's growth. We offer a standard plan for entry-level setups, a recommended professional plan for growing factories, and an enterprise plan for large-scale operations. Enhance your capabilities with powerful add-on modules, including a mobile application for management on the go, biometric integrations for HR automation, and WhatsApp integration for instant stakeholder reporting. Extend your factory's reach further with additional modules like smart analytics, customer portals for order tracking, AI-based maintenance predictions, and custom integrations for legacy software. Choose the Udem difference. Unlike generic systems, our Plywood ERP is built specifically for your industry's logic, offering expert support, deep customization, and an intuitive modern design for your team. Transform your factory today. Are you ready to experience the power of intelligent manufacturing? Contact us to get started on your digital transformation journey. Thank you for watching. Partner with Udem to experience the future of intelligent plywood manufacturing today. Reach out to our team using the contact details provided.